Good morning, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, August 24th. We had 4 trades, finished up 0.7 pips. It was one of those treadmill type days. Never really got anything going. I'm sure you heard last week, last Thursday, Friday, markets got beat up around the world. Friday, Dow Jones was down over 500 points. This morning, markets got hit again. Dow opened between 3 and 4% down to the negative side. All of Europe was down over 4% at the time of our open at 9:30 a.m. Hong Kong was down over 5%, and Shanghai was down over 8%. So we've been warning about this for well over a year, that this was going to happen. If the Fed doesn't come out and make some comments on a positive side, whether they talk about more QE or anything like that, this is going to be just the beginning. It all depends, not just the Fed, but other central bankers as well. We did have one Fed member say something about if they raise interest rates too soon, it would be a disaster to equity markets and the such. So we'll see what that brings. There's been a slight little bounce this morning, but really not much. So let's go to it. First trade you're looking at here was a short in U.S. dollar Japanese yen. We were short this 123.675. Picked up 17.4 pips, or 6.9 on a size adjusted basis. This was actually last Thursday night last Thursday afternoon where we covered. So, but we'll take the trade, and you can see obviously what it's done since, it got beat up. But we'll definitely take that trade and move on. So moving on to Aussie New Zealand dollar. This we were long 1.10623. You can see it had trouble getting through 1.11. 2 times. After the second time, which is where we got out at 1.1080, picking up 17.7 pips, or adjusted for size, 4.4. Next trade was a full scalp in New Zealand dollar, US dollar, 0.66232. We were short. Picked it off last night for 6.3 pips. That was a really easy trade. Really went right in our favor within pretty quickly, actually. And again, full scalps, you're going to take whatever you can grab. And last trade, this is the trade that hit us, the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We were long this, 25% of our normal size, 89.975. You can see it never went in our favor, it just rolled over. Took us out with a loss of 67.7 pips, or 16.9 on a size adjusted basis. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. 4 trades, 0.7 pips, so really didn't get anywhere. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way, and be careful out there. It could be a really crazy rest of the afternoon. All right, have a great rest of your day.